Hello, everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to talk about something very simple, but very powerful. We're going to talk about walking. Yes, just walking. More than that, we'll talk about how a walk outside can change your mood. Sometimes we feel sad, tired, or just not happy. Maybe we do not want to talk to anyone. Maybe we do not want to do anything. We feel stuck. But what if there is a small thing that can help? What if just going outside and walking can help you feel better? Many people do not think about walking when they feel bad. They stay in bed, watch their phone, or just sit quietly. But the truth is, walking can help the mind and the heart. Walking is not only good for the body, it is also good for your feelings. When you walk outside, you see the world. You see the sky, the trees, the street, the people. You feel the wind. You hear birds. You smell flowers or fresh air. These things are very simple, but they make you feel alive. They remind you that life is still here, and it can still be good. Sometimes we are inside for too long. Our mind becomes full of thoughts. We feel sad, angry, or confused. When we go outside, our mind starts to open. The air, the sun, and the sky help us to think better. A walk outside is like a break for the brain. It tells your body and your heart, it is okay. You're safe. You can breathe. Walking is easy. You do not need money. You do not need special clothes. You only need your feet and a place to go. You can walk in the morning or in the evening. You can walk when the sun is out or even when the sky is gray. Every walk is a chance to feel different. You can walk alone or with a friend. You can walk with music or in silence. You can walk fast or slow. You can walk far or near. Every walk is good. You do not need to wait for the perfect time. The best time to walk is now. When you start to walk, your feet move and your body starts to feel better. Your mind starts to calm down. You start to feel lighter. Maybe you are not happy right away, but you are more quiet. That is the first step. That is the beginning of change. When your body moves, your thoughts also move. You can see things in a new way. You may think of something nice. You may find a new answer. You may feel a little more hope. Nature, the trees, and the sky all help us feel better. The sound of birds helps. It all helps your heart. Nature does not ask questions. Nature does not tell you what to do. It only shows you beauty. It shows you peace. It gives you space to feel. You can think about your problems, or you can just look at the trees. You can talk to yourself or just listen to the world around you. When you feel bad, you do not need to do big things. You do not need to change your life. You can just take one step outside. Then take another. Let the walk help you. Let the air help you. Let the world help you. Some people say, I do not have time. But you do not need 1 hour. Even 10 minutes is good. A short walk is still a walk. A small step is still a step. It still brings change. It still brings light. Some people say, I do not feel like walking. But that is the best time to go. When you do not want to go, but you go anyway, that is power. That is love for yourself. That is how you take care of your heart. You say to yourself, I feel bad now, but I will still move. I will still try. I will still walk. And that makes you strong. Walking helps with many things. It helps with stress. It helps with sadness. It helps with anger. It helps with fear. It helps you breathe better. It helps you sleep better. It helps your mind rest. And when your mind rests, you can feel more joy. You can feel more peace. You can feel more ready for life. Sometimes you will cry during your walk. That is okay. Sometimes you will smile. That is also okay. Walking gives space for all feelings. You can be quiet. You can be loud. You can feel free. You can be yourself. You are not in a small room. You are in the big world. And the big world can hold your big feelings. A walk outside is not magic. It will not fix all your problems, but it can help. It can help you feel stronger. It can help you feel calmer. It can help you feel more like you. The more you walk, the more you see this change. Day by day, walk by walk, you become more peaceful. You feel more clear. You see that your mood can change. And when your mood changes, your day changes. When your day changes, your life changes. So next time you feel low, try this. Put on your shoes. Open your door. Go outside. Take one step. Then take another. Look at the sky. Breathe in. Feel the ground under your feet. Feel your heart. Feel the wind. Let your steps be slow. Let your eyes be open. Let your mind rest. Let your mood rise. You are not alone. The trees are with you. The sky is with you. Your feet are with you. You are stronger than you think. You are more beautiful than you know. And every walk is a gift you give to yourself. A gift of peace. A gift of hope. A gift of change. So go for that walk. Let it help you. Let it hold you. Let it lift you. Your heart will thank you. Your mind will thank you. A simple walk outside can change everything, starting with your mood. So take the first step today.